Hey, pet lovers. Welcome back my channel. I'm beyond thrilled to bring you the ultimate guide to the 20 must-have Amazon Pet Essentials for 2025. Whether you're a dog parent, a cat enthusiast, or both, these products are designed to make your life easier and your pet's life happier. From cutting-edge tech to everyday essentials, we've got it all covered. Grab a treat for your furry friend, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into these pawsome finds that'll have tails wagging and kitties purring. Product 1, Tug 360 Degrees Tangle-Free Retractable Dog Leash. Kicking things off, we have the Tug 360 Degrees Tangle-Free Retractable Dog Leash, a total game changer for walk time. Available in small for dogs under 35 pounds, medium under 55 pounds, and large under 110 pounds, this leash is tailored for your pup size. Its 16-foot tape leash extends and retracts effortlessly thanks to a heavy-duty internal coil, ensuring consistent performance. The 360-degree tangle-free design means no more frustrating knots, letting your dog roam freely while you stay in control. The ergonomic, anti-slip handle feels like a dream during long walks, and the quick lock and unlock feature is as simple as a thumb roll, perfect for pausing when your pup spots a squirrel. Customers rave about its sturdy design and ease of use, especially for larger breeds, though some note mixed durability, with a few reporting breaks after a month. The locking mechanism gets high praise for reliability, but a few users mention it can occasionally stick. Safety tip: inspect the nylon tape before each use to avoid snapback risks. This leash is a must for stress-free strolls. Product 2, Tractive Smart Dog GPS Tracker. Next up, the Tractive Smart Dog GPS Tracker, your ticket to peace of mind. This tiny device offers real-time GPS tracking with updates every 2 to 3 seconds, unlike others that lag at 1-minute intervals. With unlimited range, you can track your dog anywhere in the world, whether they're chasing butterflies in the backyard or wandering off on a hike. What sets this apart is its vital signs monitoring, tracking heart and respiratory rates to catch health issues early. It also learns your dog's behavior, sending alerts for unusual barking, sleep, or activity patterns. Set virtual fences around your yard or park, and get instant escape alerts if your pup bolts. The location history feature lets you retrace their steps, super handy for adventurous dogs. Lightweight and waterproof, it's perfect for dogs over 8 pounds with a 14-day battery life and a bright LED for nighttime tracking. A subscription starts at $5/month with a 30-day risk-free trial. This tracker is a lifesaver for keeping your furry friend safe. Product 3, Bounce Pet Hair and Lint Guard Mega Dryer Sheets. Pet hair sticking to everything? Enter the Bounce Pet Hair and Lint Guard Mega Dryer Sheets. These perfume-free sheets are a godsend for pet owners, boasting 3x more pet hair repelling power than standard bounce sheets. They're perfect for those with sensitive skin or allergies, ensuring no irritation for you or your family. These mega-sized sheets, twice as large as regular ones, reduce wrinkles, static, and lint while adding a soft, fresh touch to your clothes. Imagine pulling your favorite sweater out of the dryer, completely free of pet hair and ready to wear without a lint roller in sight. They're so effective, you'll spend less time cleaning and more time cuddling your pet. Customers love how these sheets transform laundry day, leaving clothes fresh and fur-free. Upgrade your laundry game with this pet parent essential. Product 4, Kalimdor Dog Water Bottle. Hydration is key, and the Kalimdor Dog Water Bottle makes it effortless. This 19-ounce bottle features a 2.8-inch trough, perfect for dogs, cats, rabbits, or other small pets to drink comfortably without getting wet. The one-key open/lock system lets you dispense water with one hand, press to fill, release to stop. A unique feature? You can recollect unused water with a button press, saving every drop. The leak-proof silica gel seal ensures no spills, so you can toss it in your backpack without worry. Made from food-grade, recyclable plastic, it's durable, easy to clean, and safe for your pet. Clip it to your bag or use the sling rope for hikes, walks, or travel. Available in blue, pink, or white, it's a stylish, practical choice for keeping your pet hydrated on the go. Pro tip: avoid hot water over 70 degrees Celsius and don't put it in the dishwasher. Product 5, Cat and Dog First Aid Kit for Car. Be prepared for anything with the Cat and Dog First Aid Kit for Car. Vet endorsed and crafted in a medical facility, this kit is packed with essentials for pet emergencies. You get a dog thermometer, muzzle, tick removal kit, emergency flashlight, and a mini pouch for quick access. The included pet care guide walks you through treating minor injuries like cuts or snake bites, making it perfect for hiking, camping, or road trips. Designed for external use only, it's not a substitute for vet care, but it's a fantastic first line of defense. Store it securely to keep it away from pets and kids, and check expiration dates regularly. Customers love its compact size and comprehensive supplies, calling it a must-have for outdoor adventures. Stay ready for any pet mishap with this lifesaver. Product 6. Dog Paw Cleaner. Muddy paws are no match for the Comotech Dog Paw Cleaner. This portable cup makes post-walk cleanup a breeze. Just add water, insert your pet's paw, and rotate to let the soft, skin-friendly silicone bristles gently remove dirt. It works for small to large dogs and even cats with no discomfort. The ergonomic design means you don't have to wrestle your pet's paws, just dip and spin. It's perfect for keeping your home spotless after outdoor playtime. Plus, it comes with a 2-year warranty and responsive customer support. Customers call it a must-have for pet owners, praising its ease of use and effectiveness. Say goodbye to muddy floors with this genius tool. Product 7. Dog Treat Pouch. Training just got easier with this dishwasher-safe dog treat pouch. Made from durable food-grade silicone, it's available in blue, yellow, green, or purple to match your style. The clip attaches to your leash or clothing, keeping treats within reach. Squeeze the pouch to dispense treats effortlessly, no digging for crumbs like with nylon bags. It handles messy treats like hot dogs or cheese with ease, and cleans up in a snap with soap, a disinfecting wipe, or the dishwasher. Its compact size holds plenty of treats without being bulky, making it ideal for walks or training sessions. Customers love its durability and convenience, calling it a game changer for rewarding good behavior. A perfect companion for every pet parent. Product 8. Aonkey Collapsible Dog Bowls with Bottle Carrier. The Aonkey Collapsible Dog Bowls with Bottle Carrier are a travel essential. These food-grade silicone bowls collapse for easy packing and feature a hard rim for stability when filled with food or water. The upgraded carabiner is sturdy with a larger opening to clip onto belts or backpacks. The included bottle carrier fits 12 to 25-ounce cola-shaped bottles, making it super versatile for hikes or park visits. The beef-flavored BPA-free silicone eliminates that typical silicone smell dogs dislike, and it's dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Customers praise its durability and portability, noting the reinforced clip hole that prevents cracking. Whether you're camping or strolling, these bowls keep your pet fed and hydrated in style. Product 9. Dog Poop Bags Holder with LED Flashlight. Night walks are safer with the Dog Poop Bags Holder with LED Flashlight. This compact dispenser features a powerful 3V LED light that shines up to 100 feet, perfect for spotting obstacles or poop in the dark. It comes with 15 large bags, 9 multiplied by 12 inches that handle waste from any dog size, plus 3 attachment options, an elastic rope, metal carabiner, or hook and loop fastener. With 3 LR44 batteries and 6 extras included, it lasts 1 to 3 months with regular use. The portable design clips to leashes or backpacks, making it a convenient addition to your walks. Customers love its brightness and versatility, calling it an economical must-have for evening outings. Stay safe and prepared with this brilliant tool. Product 10. SlowTon Dog Seat Belt Harness for Car. Road trips are safer with the SlowTon Dog Seat Belt Harness. This breathable double mesh vest with a soft cushion distributes weight evenly to prevent choking. The specialized safety buckle and lightweight carabiner attached to your car's latch bar or seat belt buckle, keeping your pet secure. 2 chest buckles make it easy to put on, no stepping in required, and 4 adjustable straps ensure a comfy fit for small to large dogs or even cats. Your pup can move, lie down, or look out the window while staying safe. Customers say it reduces anxiety and barking, making drives more pleasant. Measure your pet for the perfect fit and hit the road worry-free. Product 11. Mighty Paw Dog Treat Pouch. The Mighty Paw Dog Treat Pouch is a training superstar. This 7 by 5 inch pouch holds up to 2 cups of treats plus your phone, wallet, or keys in 4 compartments. The strong magnetic clasp ensures easy, spill-free access, and the built-in poop bag dispenser with a free roll is a lifesaver for cleanups. Wear it over your shoulder, across your body, or around your waist with the adjustable 30 to 52 inch strap. Made in the USA, it's durable enough for daily use and perfect for training or walks. Customers love its size, sturdiness, and one-handed operation, calling it a must for active pet parents. Elevate your training game with this versatile pouch. Product 12. GoTags Stainless Steel Pet ID Tags. Never lose your pet with GoTags Stainless Steel Pet ID Tags. These durable, mirror-finish tags are laser engraved for crystal clear readability with up to 8 lines of customizable text, 4 on each side. Choose 1.3 inches for larger dogs or 1 inch for cats and small breeds. Unlike flimsy aluminum tags, these are scratch and rub resistant, ensuring your pet's info stays legible. Made in the USA since 1995, they're built for active pets and their adventures. Customers praise the high-quality engraving and durability, making these tags a stylish, reliable way to keep your pet safe. Product 13. Pet Training Clicker with Wrist Strap. Training is a breeze with the Pet Training Clicker with Wrist Strap. This 2-pack in black and blue features a loud, durable metal clicker with a big button for easy use. Use it to teach basic obedience, tricks like sit or shake, or even potty training. The process is simple: command, click when your pet complies, and reward with a treat. Most dogs learn in 1 to 3 days. The wrist strap keeps it handy, and the scientific method ensures safe, effective training. Customers love its simplicity and results, especially for puppies as young as 2 months. Start training early for the best results with this affordable, powerful tool. Product 14. ChomChom Roller Pet Hair Remover. Pet hair woes? The ChomChom Roller Pet Hair Remover is a lifesaver. This reusable roller uses an electrostatic charge to grab dog and cat hair from furniture, rugs, and car seats. No sticky tape or batteries needed. Just roll back and forth, then press the release button to empty the fur into the trash. It's versatile, sustainable, and far more effective than traditional lint rollers. Customers call it a game changer for keeping spaces fur-free, praising its ease of use and deep cleaning power. Toss one in your car or keep it at home for a hair-free life. Product 15. Corgo Collapsible and Portable Travel Dog Bowl. The Corgo Collapsible Travel Dog Bowl is your pet's perfect travel buddy. Made from BPA-free, food-grade silicone, it holds 24 ounces and collapses to just 0.875 inches for easy storage. The rigid bottom prevents spills, and the included carabiner clips to your backpack or purse for hikes, walks, or travel. It's dishwasher safe and available in blue, orange, or red. Customers love its portability and durability, making it ideal for keeping your pup fed and hydrated anywhere. Whether you're at the park or on a road trip, this bowl is a must-have. Product 16. Tough Pupper Heavy-Duty Hands-Free Dog Leash. Walk smarter with the Tough Pupper Heavy-Duty Hands-Free Dog Leash. Rated for 500 pounds of tensile strength, it's perfect for medium to large dogs. Dual bungee sections absorb pulling, while the thick, padded waist belt with lumbar support ensures comfort during long walks. 2 padded handles near the dog offer extra control in crowded spaces or traffic. The 3M reflective stitching across the leash and reflective piping on the belt ensure nighttime visibility. Detach the bungee for a traditional leash if needed. Customers rave about its strength and Tough Pupper's stellar customer service with a 30-day replacement guarantee. Walk hands-free and worry-free. Product 17. Boosnik Dog Shock Collar for 2 dogs. Train 2 dogs at once with the Boosnik Dog Shock Collar. With a 3,300-foot range and a through-wall antenna, it's perfect for indoor or outdoor training. Choose from Beep 1 to 8 levels, Vibration 1 to 16, or Safe Shock 1 to 99 modes to suit your dog's needs. The IP67 waterproof, lightweight receiver works for small to large dogs, and the quick charge battery lasts 15 to 60 days. A security lock prevents accidental shocks, and dual channel controls let you train 2 dogs simultaneously. Customers love its versatility and long battery life, making it a powerful tool for correcting bad behavior safely. Product 18, 32 Tall Pooper Scooper. Keep your yard pristine with the 32 Tall Pooper Scooper. This sturdy, lightweight scooper lets you clean up without bending, ideal for those with mobility issues. The one-handed, easy pull handle and dual springs make scooping effortless, while the non-stick surface rinses clean easily. The tight, closing teeth ensure no leaks, and it works on grass, concrete, or dirt. Folded in half for portability, perfect for travel or daily use. Customers praise its durability and ease of use, calling it a lifesaver for large and small dogs alike. Cleanup has never been this easy. Product 19, Dremel Paw Control Dog Nail Grinder. Skip the stress of clippers with the Dremel Paw Control Dog Nail Grinder. This cordless tool with a 4-volt lithium-ion battery offers 4 adjustable speeds and a 45-degree paw guide for safe, precise trimming. The kit includes 9 sanding bits, a USB charger, and a user manual. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for beginners and experienced groomers. Customers love how gentle and effective it is, keeping nails smooth without the risk of cutting too short. Make nail care a stress-free bonding moment for you and your pet. Product 20, 2-pack LED Dog Collar. Wrap up with the 2-pack LED Dog Collar. These rechargeable collars with 150 mAh batteries last up to 10 hours and are visible up to 547 yards. Choose fast flash, slow flash, or steady glow modes, and adjust the size from 12 to 22 inches to fit any dog. Weather resistant and easy to charge via micro USB, they're perfect for night walks. Customers love the bright glow and quick charging, though some note durability issues after heavy use. Keep your dog safe, visible, and stylish with these glowing collars. Wow, what a lineup! These 20 Amazon Pet Essentials for 2025 are here to make your life as a pet parent easier, safer, and more fun. From high-tech trackers to simple cleanup tools, there's something for every pet and lifestyle. Which product are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe for more pet tips and reviews. Don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you and your furry friends next time.